Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to get started with using Google Sites to create your own website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Sites website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your Google account guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see multiple options that you can use in Google Sites. Here you can use this option to create your website. You can either create a portfolio if you want, project, and so on. And under those options guys, you will see the option called Recent Sites, where you will be able to see all the websites that you have and all the websites that you can edit. So as you can see, I currently already have a website. But for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and create a new website guys by clicking this option right here, the plus button, which will automatically go ahead and create a website in a couple of seconds in the page. And now we have a new website. So what we can do is go ahead and name the website. I'm going to just name it tutorial. You can name it, here is the heading, and here we can enter the site name. Let's say this tutorial. And after that guys, you can see that now we have changed the site name to tutorial, and now we have successfully created our website and we can get started with editing it. If you look at the right side of the page guys, you will see multiple options that you can use for editing your website, such as you can insert text boxes, images, and so on. Here you can see all of the options that you can insert. You can either add new pages right here in the pages menu by clicking on the plus button right here and go ahead and add a new page, such as, let's name it video. As you can see, we have successfully created a new page. Now we have 2 pages. You can select your themes if you want the website to look different, and so on guys. But yeah guys, basically those are just some basics that you can get started with using this on Google Sites. So you can go ahead and play around with this and go ahead and find new options so you can go ahead and create your perfect site. But yeah guys, basically that's how you can get started with creating your own site. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.